Since starting this program, I've been asked many times, how exactly does social entrepreneurship work? So to better explain it, I decided to go over the fundamentals of a social enterprise and how that differs from a traditional nonprofit as well as a solely for-profit organization. So let's go ahead and break these down. For the nonprofit sector, funding is one of the major barriers to carrying out an organization's mission, as they typically rely on grants or donors for financial support. Unfortunately, neither one of those options provides or guarantees a permanent financial solution. This is where social enterprise changes the game, incorporating a for-profit model of business in order to independently generate earned revenue, which continuously supports the services being provided. In for-profit organizations, analyzing the numbers or amount of profit is typically used to measure impact. Big surprise there. With social enterprises, however, a more human-centered approach is taken, with impact being measured by whether or not the target client was helped, since that is the ultimate goal. Depending on client feedback, social enterprises can then make modifications for a better outcome. I believe these next two go together, as an organization's motivation or ultimate intention directly relates to how they exploit imbalances in their environment. Let me give you a comparison. As a wise professor explained to me, what entrepreneurs do is they see an imbalance somewhere, and they create or start something to fix that imbalance, which results in them making money. On the flip side, social entrepreneurs identify an imbalance, but their definition of imbalance is injustice, and the profit or revenue earned from fixing that problem continues to be used to address that imbalance. The results of profit may be the same for both, but the motivation behind each organization's actions is the key difference. With social enterprise, profit and earning money is not the end, but rather the means to the end. While networking wasn't exactly a concept we learned in class, I still think it deserves a spot in the fundamentals. Without networking, we as social entrepreneurs would lose an opportunity to grow and improve our visions by partnering with like-minded people from different walks of life. A challenge faced by social enterprises is that of trade-offs, in which a company must make a decision like whether the priority is increasing profit while losing quality or quantity of services, or increasing services but risking taking a hit financially. This ties back to the idea of motivation. Access and linkage relate directly to the bottom of the pyramid, a target population that has previously been assumed impossible to deliver services. However, with the millennial generation being so connected via technology, the world has become a much smaller place, and therefore reaching the bottom of the pyramid has become more feasible in recent years. Ultimately, the end goal of social enterprises is sustainability, both in their business models and the change they are impacting upon the world. Fortunately for us, we have the chance to learn from several successful social enterprises and hopefully make our own lasting impact in the future.